$20 may not seem like a lot of money, but if you get paid that much over and over again for an infinite number of times, it can add up to literally thousands of dollars. And not only will I show you how to earn that much money, but I will show you how to do so in passive income. All you need to do is follow all of the steps in this video, then set up this passive income stream for yourself, and then you can do whatever you want whilst making money in the process. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so a site we will be using today in order to get paid, guys, is this one here called BlockFi.com. Now, since most of you don't know what this is, let me briefly explain. BlockFi is basically a place where you can either buy and or sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, for example, or you can also start an interest account as well and get some very good interest rates every single year. One of the best interest rates I've seen, actually. For example, someone who invests $200 into this platform will earn an 8.6 interest rate, as you can see here, which means that by the end of the year, they will have nearly $17 of pure profit. Now, that isn't too much profit, obviously, but it's all made without doing anything. And if someone invests more money, like $20,000, for example, by the end of the year, they would have made $1,700, which is a very nice amount of money, obviously. And once again, made without doing anything at all. Now, while there's a lot of money to be made with BlockFi, and there are a lot of people getting paid pretty nicely, as I said, that's not how we will be getting paid. We won't be investing a dime into this website whatsoever. We won't be buying or selling any crypto, nothing like that. We will instead be getting paid using a different method. Now, with all of that said, you can come on this site and read more about it, see how it works. You can check out all of the cryptocurrencies they have available and all of that stuff. But I don't want to prolong this video, so let's jump straight to the point. What you need to do when you come on their homepage is scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and you now want to find and click on Refer a Friend, located right over here. So yes, we will be making money by referring people, and by the way, BlockFi is available for both iOS and Android, so for those of you who either don't have a computer or would rather like to do this on your phone, it is doable. Anyhow, by referring someone to BlockFi, as you can see right here, you will earn either $10 in BTC or Bitcoin, so up to $10 per every single referral, which isn't bad at all when you think about it. But it actually gets even better from there, because down here you can see that after 5 referrals, you'll start earning $20 per referral from there, and that can quickly add up. 5 people referred a day is $100 just like that. 10 people a day is $200, and so on. So there's huge potential here, especially since I will show you how you can refer a lot more people than that and thus earn even more money. Now, with all of that said, what you need to do on this page is click on Open Your Account right here. And on the next page, you'll see you need to enter your legal first and last names, email address, and finally, password. Then click on I'm Human here and complete that CAPTCHA in like 10 seconds, and click on Submit to create your account. And just a side note, make sure you enter in your real names in here, because they will ask you to take a picture of your ID later in order to verify that it's actually you. So don't enter in fake names, otherwise you won't be able to create an account at all. Anyways, when you create your account, you will need to verify that the email address belongs to you. So you want to go over to your Gmail account and then open up a message that looks something like this. From there, just click here in order to finish the process. And once that's done, you'll finally be able to log into your account. So now that you have your account on, it's time for me to show you the traffic sources we will be using. And yes, there are multiples of them for you to choose from. The first traffic source is a site called Tendry.com. This is basically a forum where people gather to discuss making money online. And as you can see, we have Make Money forums up here, but also cryptocurrency forums down below. And here's the truly awesome part. Since BlockFi is both about making money by investing into the website, and you also get paid in cryptocurrency, that means you can use both of these forums. But here's the best part about this. Every single person on this forum is looking for a way to make money online, And that means that, of course, they would be interested in BlockFi. And as I said previously, you don't need too many people to sign up to your referral link for you to make a lot of money. Furthermore, since this is a forum, when you post something on here, it literally stays here forever. Your post with that referral link may be viewed by someone months after you have actually posted it, which means you can make money in passive income. Now, with that said, guys, I would highly recommend you stick around to the end of the video for the more effective second traffic source you can use that, when combined with Tendry here, would earn far more money. Anyhow, in order to be able to post anything on Tendry and get people to click on your referral link, you need to click on Register right up here to create your account. Then enter in your username, email address, password, your date of birth, location. This referral field you will leave blank, obviously, no one referred you here. You then want to complete this CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm human, just like on BlockFi. Then tick this box to agree to their terms and privacy policy. And finally, click on Register in order to create your account. Once you create your account and log in, you now need to click on Post Thread right here in order to publish your own post so that everyone on this website who is either interested in cryptocurrency or making money online will be able to see it. What you'll want to write in here is something along the lines of 8.6% interest rates on this website here, or you can say something like, great site to get paid in passive income, and so on. You will then leave your referral link next to what you have just written and publish your post. And thousands of people will be able to see it, and once again, keep in mind that you only need a tiny percentage to actually click on your link in order for you to make a lot of money. So with that said, this is the first way you can get traffic to your link. Now bear in mind that while the second way is optional, I would highly recommend it. And the second way to get traffic involves using this tool here, the link of which I will leave in the description box below. Now, this is a paid software, so it's not free by any means, but what it does offer is a 100-day money-back guarantee, and they will pay you $100 if this does not work out for you. So not only can you earn thousands of dollars, but you stand to lose nothing by trying it out. As you can see here, by using this, you can put any link in front of 500 million visitors, all of whom are willing to purchase whatever it is that you are promoting. And so not only can you get a huge amount of traffic to your BlockFi link, but any other link from any other product. Furthermore, there is no monthly fee involved, so you buy this and you can use it for life basically. It allows you to promote a product in any niche and it will automatically get you traffic to the said product. That, of course, makes it perfect for newbies who have no experience. So while this does require a tiny investment, it can pay off big time for those of you who are willing to give it a try. And they also have payment proof on this page that I urge you to check out. Now, in case you're skeptical or simply don't have money, then you can simply use Tendry here in order to get traffic, and you'll still be able to earn a lot of money passively nevertheless. Now, with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.